this is the hidden secret on how to use indicators. I'm going to show you what you need to do to get the best trades. I want you to hover over this indicator here, right click and remove. Hover over this one, right click, remove. This one, right click, remove. Repeat the process for all of them until you are left with nothing but an empty chart. This is because you do not need all of those crazy indicators. The best indicator is your eyes, because you are able to see clear areas of inefficiencies and you are able to target clear areas of liquidity, because that's all the market cares about. If you're someone that adds all of these indicators to your chart, get rid of them, because you will start to find it a lot easier when you can actually see pure price action. You don't need all of that other stuff. So get rid of it, strip it back, keep it super simple, because there's only one thing you need to worry about as a trader, and that is your consistency to show up every single day and learn the basics. And over time, you will start to develop the knowledge you need to take your trading to the next level and create the life you want.